Hi, it's Dr. Mo again at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We're here with Josh. Josh is a Facebook follower, and he came in last week, right?
Yes.
And he had low back pain. We adjusted everything on him, and went from there. How did it feel after last week? Was it pretty good?
Yeah, it felt real good.
Yeah. So he's been recommending people, which is, I appreciate that. We're gonna go ahead and adjust him and go from there. So let's go face down for me, guys. Let's see how you did this last time. All right. So last time he came in, his hip was off a little bit. And so it's actually a lot better. It's barely off, Josh, so we're gonna go ahead and adjust it again. I'm gonna adjust the whole spine again. Okay. So this is your first time ever getting adjusted, right?
Yes.
How does that usually feel? I mean, compared to...
I'm not really sure, but I mean, it feels good, honestly.
Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. This side for me, buddy. Facing it this way. Perfect. Yeah, last week when he adjusted his neck, his eyes popped up. Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way up. Beautiful. Good. Got his side for me. Straight down. Good. Deep breath in. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up. You ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. Oh yeah. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh yeah. Good. All right, Josh. Go ahead and go face down for me. Let me just check. Beautiful. Great. So yeah, so if you were there on Facebook and you're watching, go ahead and share it with your friends and let people know about us. Thanks.